Okay,
Do you?
we came to you guys just to talk just a little bit. Um, what you guys want to talk about?
Marveling.
Let me ask y'all a question. I got a question. Have y'all ever went to sleep and it feel like you falling off the longest cliff?
I know. Then
And
you
you
be
feeling
waking
it
up.
bad?
You be ready to go to sleep
And
and
you
wake
hurry
straight
up,
up.
and you hurry up and jump up like you just got shot or something.
Yeah,
You
that
wait,
make
you
me
just wake
bad.
everybody looking at you like, dang, what just happened to you? Man, you know I just falling off that cliff. Don't even act like you ain't
Or
seen
no,
me.
y'all ain't never been chased in your dream. No, for real. You get chased in your dream.
In your dream,
and
you
right
all,
before you get caught, you wake up like, what the hell just happened?
and in your dream, you
Yeah.
always got a disability. If your
I
leg,
ain't got no disability in my dream. Your dream messed up. Honey, the only difference is in my dreams I actually be fast. In real life, I'm not that fast. But you know, in my dreams,
Boy,
I'm
y'all are
Superman. What you mean? A disability. I'm Superman in my dream,
But
honey. You got.
look, but look, but look, but look. Why in my dreams I always get caught?
I bet you.
Like,
Only Jamaica in her dreams she get caught.
only her.
Honey, in my dreams, I am the fastest woman in the world.
In my dreams, I always have a disability. If I can run, I can't move my arms.
Maybe that means something,
If-
Diamond.
if I'm fighting, I can't move fast.
Maybe you have some kind of disability in real life.
okay. Cut. We gotta get on Marvelous subject because I don't.
Ooh,
She been killing
Marveline.
me.
How we gonna talk about Marvelin on YouTube, on
So she
MySpace,
needs to go.
like the people know Marvelin?
I know.
But you know what I want to talk about? Let's talk about these pictures on her MySpace page.
Oh my God.
With that red lipstick on, though. I don't
But
like
nothing else. Y'all act like the red lipstick is the problem. The problem is she has nothing else on but
No
weed.
clothes.
She has red lipstick and weed, people. This is my sister. Love her to death.
My auntie,
Not
but she had the
knowing
quick.
She stay wearing Steve Madden out of TJ Maxx.
You
my
don't blame my sister like it, honey, because she might wear Steve Madden out of TJ Maxx, but she also be in the BCBG.
But guess
She
what,
also
though?
be in the Dolce and
But she
Gabbana.
be getting after.
She be dressing. She be dressing.
Diamond,
no
she
lies.
get it from the
Dressing her
real,
family.
though. She get it from the real
The
clothes.
real.
But
The
I ain't
real, the
mad
real.
at her. I bought my shoes from Steve Madden too. From TJ Maxx too. What you talking about? And I'm sure a lot of people out
Only
there.
the Browns.
Yeah,
Only
y'all
the Browns.
Now y'all got shoes from TJ Maxx too. Don't do me.
Yeah, come Marvin got me some. Marvin got me some.
It's real brands. They have real brands at TJ Maxx. So what? They missing a couple
Go
buttons.
out and get you some.
Maybe you
Go out
buy
and
the
get you some.
shoes, ain't got no shoestring. But it's TJ Maxx, people. It's real brands.
Don't ever
It's
get no forces out of a store like that.
Please
Cause
don't.
They ain't got no
if
forces
your
in TJ
store
Maxx.
being like
Yes,
that,
they
I'm
do.
on you. I'm
They
on
ain't never seen no
They
forces.
might be Nikes, but they Nikes.
They got Pumas.
They do got Pumas
They
and
got
Reebok.
Pumas.
They got Reebok. They got Reebok.
They got Nikes too, y'all.
They got some boots.
Y'all you speaking of have y'all ever seen somebody who is just so ugly, but they say it's so fine, and you can't tell them nothing?
Preach!
Like,
They don't want to listen. They don't want to listen, girl. They don't want to listen.
And I be sitting there thinking, not only you look a mess, but why your outfit, like, if you were ugly, you can't help that. You were born that way. But does your clothes have to look like that?
Exactly, dude. I be hating that, especially when niggas be looking like it. I ain't mean to say the N-word.
And I don't care
That's
what
what
make.
dudes
I don't know
do.
why dudes think
People,
they can't take a
hold on.
shower every day. That's nasty.
Hold on, time out. We buried the N-word. Continue. Yeah,
Okay.
they don't be taking showers every day.
They sure don't. That's nasty. Why
We can smell you.
No, let me tell you.
Especially when y'all got our basketball practice, y'all need to go home and take a shower or something. Because when y'all leave, y'all walk past somebody, the breeze coming from your clothes is nasty.
What she
Unlike
said.
my little brother, he be smelling good.
Yes,
He be smelling
I love
good. He's cute too.
My nephew, Demarius.
The only time I say
he's
he's
11. He's single, lady.
but y'all can't have him because I swear I don't have to be nobody. I
My
swear I
phone.
don't. No,
I'm about to
no.
Do you see what she is? Bipolar.
Bipolar. She need to be
I'm
one
about
of
to
them
show y'all a picture of my brother. He is so fine.
I think I got a picture of too, but I don't know where my phone is, people. So we have decided we're gonna make a YouTube channel,
Right.
and
so
we're gonna come to you guys every so often, say whatever we feel like saying.
Hey, you guys, here's my
That's just
brother.
Hold on, put it up to the camera. Oh, zoom out. They can't see good.
Oh.
The light is blinding you.
Oh.
Yeah, the phone blinging. sorry, guys, you
I
can't
will
see
let
that
you
very
see it,
well.
but you know.
And here's the sister. You can see that. It was good.
What's this?
Oh, there you go, y'all. There you go. There you go.
Oh, that's juicy.
That's booty meat.
There go Tamara.
And that's Jermaine, the sister and the brother. Oh, so cute.
Aw,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's the
anyway.
rest of us,
Yeah.
my nieces and nephews. You know how we do.
And please don't none of y'all guys have to, don't try to hurt
Don't
my
start,
brother,
brother,
because
because of course we're going to come back on this webcam and talk about it.
Yeah.
What you
Don't
said, and
start.
if you decide that you do want to come, you better come correct. I mean, y'all better be coming looking like something, cause if not,
Yeah.
we'll get you. We'll
We
get
on
you.
you. We on you.
We'll get you. And please forgive us, cause we not on our grizzly right now. We in our pajamas in the
And
bed.
we still look
But,
bad.
but right, we feel bad. But you know, we in the bed in our pajamas. So you can't say right now that, you know, we can't talk about y'all because we all look like that. You got us bumped, okay?
You got us all the way bent. Like Webby said, you got me bent. You got me bent.
Oh, no.
Did Webby say
You
that?
got me bent. Yeah, he
Oh,
said.
that's
Trill fam,
Trill fam.
Trill fam.
We like Trill fam. Boosie, Webby, big up.
I'm
Fox.
sorry, I don't like Boosie like that. You know.
That means
Girl,
you
don't
get out
play. He
this
be
camera
having-
with all that.
Hey, I know he be having the baddest
I
verses.
got
Okay, Carrie Underwood, people, of course.
Okay, she
I
was
like,
so
hold on.
too.
I like Carrie Underwood too, cause I just had to let you know. I mean, she did some thug stuff when she was talking about, you know,
Before he cheated.
before he
okay.
cheated. That's all.
That
When
vehicle.
when she carved her name into his leather
Yeah,
seat.
that was the truth. That
Took a
was
Louis V slug and a
And both
both
had light and slashed the hole
and
in
all
four
four
times.
times.
Maybe next time he will think before he cheats,
Yes,
because
he
that
will.
car was towed to the
Cause
floor.
if
You
somebody
know
do, I'ma do the
we,
same.
we don't play that. We tear up the car worse than
And we'll
Carrie
do it
Underwood.
together.
Yeah.
You can't mess with one. You mess with one, you mess with
all.
Everybody, you fight
Oh.
one, you fight everybody. Put it like that.
It's going
Yeah,
down.
It's going down.
And y'all might be like,
You
why?
might
is
want
this-
to catch us by itself instead of with everybody else. Cause that's what one fight,
No, don't
everybody
catch by
fight.
yourself. You catch by
No.
yourself, it's really going to be a beat down. We fanned you.
What you mean?
don't
But
wanna
y'all
come
might
out.
be like, why is this auntie sitting here doing this with her nieces? But I'm just gonna let you know, I'm only a few years older than them, if
Right.
you can tell. Okay,
Right.
so yes, we get down like that.
We
Yes,
get
we
Baby,
do.
big baby,
You heard her, and
You
what?
heard.
and you know
And
that
if you want to reply some smart to this video,
we will have.
I'm going to look down.
We'll
the
read
And
video,
we gonna let you
Hold
know.
on, hold on. We'll read them on the next show,
and then I'm going to be like,
And
who
you gonna
wrote
hear
this?
our
And I'm going to
response.
read it. We're going to respond to that.
and
little
you're gonna
comment
hear our
y'all make.
response because you know. we
And
just
we're
don't
in that-
care.
And you know, we not trying to be smart, no. We just having fun, you know.
Right, we
Doing
just
what we
having
do
fun.
best.
Something
And like
funny
if
to
y'all
watch.
want to say something smart, we can have fun. Just don't take it too far.
You know, I now want to talk about some of the celebrities and their swag. You know, who's running the game, who's not.
Rihanna is running the game.
Running
we
it.
all
She
know.
got it.
Rihanna
She
running
got it.
it.
She got it.
She got it. And you know, I think I love Beyonce, the performer,
Yeah,
the
but-
Beyonce style of clothing.
Mhm.
It don't be hot all the time.
Yeah.
Rihanna,
Now the hair
Beyonce
wise.
take notes.
Okay, let's say hair wise.
Please,
Keisha Cole. Keisha Cole got that.
Some swag.
no, because Rihanna had be
Both
five
of that heavy side, but Keisha Cole be having them old side hairs. Like they be. Like sometimes they be
Okay,
old,
let's
but
talk
they be
about Lil Mama, y'all.
fine.
Lil Mama, she be going all in
Man,
out.
she
It's
be
some-
looking a
Some
mess.
of her
She
outfits
ta-
is cute. No lie, some of her outfits are
Man,
cute.
Some,
she be
very
but
few.
yeah,
But
she
Lil
be
Mama,
a
you
mess,
got the
boo.
queen with the ponytails coming out the hat, baby.
Because doesn't it look like
The hat's
ponytail
not
is
even
glued
cute.
to the hat?
Yeah.
It be looking like the ponytail is glued to
Them
the hat.
hats not
And we don't do that, little mama.
But look,
you
y'all.
are not the voice of the young people because we don't dress like that.
Look, y'all, her hats don't even be all that cute though with all them diamonds.
lie,
and
be
stuff. Man,
good.
Hold on,
I
some of
don't
them
like
hats be
it.
kind of fresh, Jemiah.
Yeah.
They be kind of fresh.
First of all, I didn't say all of them. You heard
Okay.
some, my girl.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
But what she wore to the BET Awards, that baby doll dress with that
With that
sports bra,
pacifier.
with that no, that was 2 years ago.
Oh, I'm
this
sorry.
year, she wore a baby doll dress that was